Okay, let's make preparation for our tilapia fish para sa sugba. Sugba na food! So, yan na yung isda natin na gawin, eh. So, another ihaw. So, isa lang na natin yung fish. This is where I cook the fish in early in the evening. Isda! Isda! What are you doing there? Sunbathing? Oops, let's check. Basta ang temperature. Okay lang ba ang temperature sa akong isda? Boss! What's happened? Okay, luto na.